In 2017, a very interesting study appeared online. According to it, the number of parking accidents has increased globally by 30% in 10 years. But don't worry, the solution to perfect parking is already here. For $19, you can get this mat that you can stick or hard mount in your parking spot, for example on the floor of your garage. After that, the process is simple. The bumps signal when the driver successfully parks in the right spot, and thanks to the edges, the mat will also collect water, dirt and sand from the tires, keeping the garage clean. The size is universal, 21.5 by 11 inches, and the mat comes with reflective tape and is available in 3 colors. Do you regularly refuel a large fleet of equipment and are tired of bothering with jerry cans? This pump helps you refuel generators, ATVs, tractors, cars, and more with no problem. It's automatic and runs at 2.4 gallons per minute, so you don't have to keep lifting heavy containers. It comes with a 3.25-foot hose, and the nozzle is versatile and will fit a wide variety of fuel tanks. The pump constantly monitors the process, and if it detects a leak, it emits a signal. You'll need 4 AAA batteries, which are enough for about 250 gallons. But if you only have 2 at hand, don't worry. You can use the emergency mode. The price tag is about $93. Another innovation for fans of all things smart: electrically operated running boards that can be controlled via a smartphone app. While you're digesting this incredible idea, let's review its specifications. The running board is 7 inches wide and made of aluminium. It works with iOS and Android and connects via Bluetooth. The manufacturer provides a 5-year or 60,000-mile warranty and mentions that the mounting kit will be tailored to the specific make and model of the car. Plus, you can set the running board to activate when the door is opened, as well as play around with other settings, such as backlighting. It's perfect to improve ground clearance, aerodynamics, and appearance, the description adds. However, the product is pretty expensive at $1,800. Next on our list are these clever car shades. They'll not only save the interior from overheating, but also hide it from prying eyes. As the authors write, these are the world's first remotely controlled sunshade and security screen. It was planned to make them individually for each car brand and model. The price tag starts at $79, and for this money, the customer gets 2 side shades. For windshield and rear window shades, you'll have to pay $129 more. Unfortunately, the authors didn't provide many technical details, which is probably why the Indiegogo project had to be closed without reaching the financial goal. Snowfalls are tricky. In December, they disrupted London's airports and got on drivers' nerves. The Royal Automobile Club reports that there were 65% more requests for roadside assistance during the snowfall. Therefore, this accessory will definitely be a great addition to the trunk of British drivers. The model is versatile, suitable for both passenger cars and ATVs. The size of the block is 8 by 3 by 1 inches. It'll help avoid slippage even on summer tires. A van or a compact car will be able to get out of mud, sand or snow, and the installation is fairly simple. So if you want, you can help your neighbors in trouble. The price is about $65. Powerful speakers, cool suspension, gull-wing doors, that's nothing compared to this cool upgrade, which you can even put on a motorcycle. This is a minigun-shaped exhaust pipe. It reminds us of action movies like Ambulance, but fortunately for the drivers behind, it does not shoot. Instead, it rotates spectacularly and will definitely cause quite a stir at motor shows. These things are usually made to order, and people in the comments ask to add flames and are willing to shell out for this. You can find a similar production model for about $1,000. Next is a more functional upgrade that will appeal to camping enthusiasts in particular. After all, what could be nicer than taking a shower after a day out in the open? The most compact model holds 4 gallons and weighs 53 pounds when full. The shape is optimized for a car roof rack. There is a special sticker to keep track of the temperature. A hose and nozzle are also included. If you need more pressure, you can add an electric pump. The shower has a built-in valve to relieve excessive pressure. Prices start at $450. How do you usually picture wheel protection? Maybe like this? Cool, but there is a more compact option. We understand that wheel and tire damage is infuriating and expensive, the manufacturer's right. So, why not enjoy the ride by removing the stress and hassle from the trip? After all you have to do is buy this $66 set of treads. You can find options for wheels from 12 to 24 inches, and you can choose from 14 colors to fit your car's overall style. In addition, the treads will camouflage existing scratches, and the installation system provides compatibility with 98% wheel and tire combinations. These tracks are used to improve logging, construction, and other equipment. They're mounted on top of the tires to significantly enhance off-road performance. The manufacturer is willing to pick up tracks depending on the equipment, climate, soils, and other parameters. There are universal and specialized models. For example, the Terra 85 is a 3.3-inch wide and 1.9-inch high track for any terrain. This model is effective all year round and has a low profile, which reduces vibration and operators' fatigue. In order to understand how to install the track, you can watch the 90-second video tutorial. The result is about 50% less ground pressure, fuel saving, and extra tire protection. Let's go back to the snow subject for a while. At the end of 2022, Japan was unpleasantly surprised by a snow apocalypse. In some prefectures, snowdrifts reached 6.6 feet in height, and searching for one's cars became a real quest for many. So, in addition to shovels, local car owners could definitely use this 4-in-1 system. After all, it'll help not only to remove snow, but also to scrape off the ice, inspect the car at night, and if necessary, set an emergency blinker. The nozzle is made of special foam material, which effectively removes even wet snow without damaging the paintwork. The handle extends from 30 to 49 inches, and the LED light is powered by 2 AAA batteries. With 5 colors to choose from and a price of $20, do you think it's worthy of attention? Next on our route is this pickup truck ladder. It's perfect for delivery companies, mechanics, construction workers, logistics personnel, and anyone else who regularly hauls a lot of heavy or cumbersome loads. Its load capacity is 300 pounds. It's mounted on the tailgate and doesn't take up space in the bed. It can be installed on either side at heights of 28 to 45 inches, and it's also suitable for trailers. For $61, you can make loading and unloading easier, and your back will thank you. Do you know what a jump starter is? This compact device helps to start the engine when the battery's low. You can see one on your screen. As usual, this is a multifunctional device. The manufacturers took into account that people usually don't need the jump starter too often, so they added a flashlight and a power bank function. When performing its main task, the jump starter provides 55,500 megawatt-hours of power. The 15,000 mAh battery lasts for about 40 starts. The flashlight works for about 200 hours on a single charge, And the built-in Bluetooth module allows you to link the device to your smartphone and always know the battery level. And of course, the model is water resistant, so you can safely take it on a boat or off-road adventures. The price is $130. On the finish line is a curious solution for motorhomes and trailers. It helps you stabilize them when parked by preventing unnecessary swaying and keeping the tires from slipping. It weighs about 11 pounds and fits even into 10-inch wheel spacing. Thanks to the ratchet system, it's easy to install. It's all complemented by a rust-resistant coating and an optional padlock security system. The price is $81. Watch an interesting movie in a few minutes without rewind? Easy.
We got a great-looking audience tonight.
The Sweet Popcorn channel has a mega convenient format waiting just for you. Short retellings of movies, from auteur films to Hollywood blockbusters. Pick up your unlimited ticket by clicking the subscribe button.